Damn, that looked crazy. Oh, all right, shit. Heard you.
Please.
Okay, guys, what's up? Back. Your boy's back. The creative block, all of that good stuff is real. Just want to let you know that. Super real. So in this video, wait, something's off. I know. Cue the music. There we go. Okay. So in this video, I will be taking you guys through a quick. Oh, just got paid. Nice. Okay, guys. So in this video, we will be doing a kind of photo blend in Photoshop, a photo merge, whatever you want to call it. I don't fucking care. We'll be merging two photos together in Photoshop to make it one photo. Pretty cool, huh? So the photos we will be using is this. Shoot it here and shoot it right there. All right, so we got these two photos. Boom, boom. We will merge these into one. Super simple, super easy. Let's get into Photoshop and see how it's done. All right, we are in Photoshop. So open up Photoshop. We're gonna have two photos. Make one top, make one the bottom. You're going to label the top, and the bottom photo. How you would shoot this is on a tripod. You're in one position, taking the photo, and the other person is in the other position, or you again are in another position, taking a photo right from the tripod. Then we will go to the top layer and open up a mask. Pull the opacity down some, so you can see the bottom layer photo. You're going to click on your mask. Brush size big enough to cover the body and a little bit of the background, and you just paint away. It's rather simple. Bring the opacity back up, keep brushing. Turn your opacity up on your brush. Maybe turn the flow up too if you like. Brush that person out in the background. Be very conscious of your backgrounds. There might be people in there, people are moving, so just be very conscious. You have to really make this one look realistic. Make sure everything looks good. You want to zoom in a bit, really get into those tight spots. Take your time with this, guys. Really get in there, really see what needs to be blended in properly. Adjust your opacity as needed. And now we are done. File, export as JPEG, and we are good to go. Thank you. Almost forgot. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Leave a comment if you do feel so. Peace.